Guys, in this video, we are going to talk about how to trade crypto with your Coinbase wallet. So open up your wallet as usual. So you have your Coinbase wallet right here. You must be loaded in your certain token or Solana, Bitcoin, or Ethereum. Most commonly, you have base Solana or just BNB, such as those. So next, you will have to have your tokens right here. So you can see the trending swaps that are going on right here such as breadth and base network. So let's actually use this as our basis. So we go here and then you will see this is the asset is on base and you will see its local price. And then all you have to do right here is press swap. So from swap, it's gonna show you this interface. So you will have to choose an asset basically, but if you don't have any assets, it's not gonna actually pop up because it won't allow you to. But let's just say you have $3 worth of BNB. You can choose that asset to change it into breadth in the base network. So first you have to add crypto to your wallet as usual, and you can do so by going right here. So let me just go back and then go here to the middle tab and press receive if you want to transfer from another wallet. You can use your Solana right here. As you can see, you can scan the QR code if you even want to. You can even do Bitcoin right here, or do you want Ethereum? You can do so right here. So if you're using base address, you can choose right here with the other assets that are actually available. So once you've done that, you only have to swap it into bread, and there you go. You have now traded with Coinbase in your wallet. So it's just that simple. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.